That's the first plug socket in. I've never actually fitted a flush mounted plug socket before, so jigsawing upside down is a bit new to me. Well, it looks alright, it's wired in. So I'll just pull the wires through the back and cable clip it to the buttons. That's all cable clipped in now with a piece of gaffer tape. I'll just pull it through the other side of the bathroom and connect up the connector block. Connect up the connector block. See what I did? I connected the connector together with the connector. That's all connected up now, so I just put the cover on. So the two 40-volt wires are connected inside that connector there. Two going through the panel, one coming out here for the inverter and a plug. One going around the back to that double socket. And that one's ready to go across the bed frame to the kitchen for the fridge. So I've got to order an inverter now, which aren't cheap. Got a package. Guess what it is? You can't guess. Bet you can't guess. Bet you can't guess what we're in there. Go on then, I'll tell you. Betty's fridge. Look at that little bad boy. Exactly the same fridge as we've got in Bessie one. Love them. These retail at about 80 quid from Curry's and that. This was 65 quid including postage from eBay. Brand new. It's a bit mucky, but I think it's a return from somewhere. So I'm just going to plug it in, see if it works. And it's working. I don't know if you can hear it. Excellent. So now we can build the kitchen around the fridge. Keeps the beers cold. I've looked on the label at the back and it's rated 90 watts, where Betty 1's is 74 watts, so it's going to be using a bit more power, but still not as much as like a bigger fridge or a 12-volt fridge. And it's a lot cheaper than a 12-volt fridge as well anyway. Happy days. The question is now where to put the bugger. I think it can, I mean it can stay there, but if you open the bathroom door, that only opens to the, so getting into the bathroom from that side is going to be quite difficult. So I think it's going to have to go there. I always knew this walkway will be quite tight, because to get into this bit you only walk into the bed or the bathroom, so I might end up reversing the door, the bathroom door, so it opens up that way. Could put it under the bed, which is the ideal place for it. That's where Betty 1's is at the minute. Just see what it looks like up against the wheel arch. Can't really go there either, because can't open it that way because the kitchen's going to be there. Let's try another one. Could go there and just turn the door in the other way on the fridge, and then the water tank can go there. One more. Could go there. There's no problem about opening the door then, but you'll lose a bit of habitational space. The kitchen is going to come out to just past where the fridge is anyway. Do I raise it up? Do I put it on a platform underneath the kitchen? Don't know. I think the best option is to put it there. Yep, it might have to go there. Thanks for bearing with us folks and watching this video. But you know, van building is not an exact science. I'll sort it. I could put it there and build a seat around it. That might be an idea. It's not much higher than the bench seat. You can always build the bench seat up a bit. I have to move that USB socket though, which is not a problem. Let's put it there, see what it looks like. It's an option, I suppose. But then we'd lose the bench seat. I think best place under bed. I've decided it's going here, built up into a unit on a platform, and that's the best way to access it. So that's what I'm going to do. Not yet, because I've got other stuff to do yet. I think, yeah. I want to start the cupboard up there. Just started playing about with the cupboard at the back of the van that I wanted. Let's have a look at it from the other side. To me it doesn't look level, but it is. Let's measure it. It's 8 3/4 here and 9 here. So I've knocked it up a bit and see what it looks like. Right, 8 3/4 there, 8 3/4 there. The van may curve a bit, but here it doesn't look level from this side. Let's have a look at it from inside. It's not too bad. It's going to have plywood underneath it anyway as the base, so I think I'm going to screw that in place and then do the end piece. I'm just starting mocking up this back cupboard now using the same doors I've got here, because I've got 3 of these. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3. It doesn't look half bad, to be honest. This bottom piece is a bit bendy, so that'll push up with the plywood that'll go underneath it. Let's just have a look from outside. It's just under tension at the minute, so it's not all properly screwed in. Let's look outside. As you can see, the bottom of the door isn't quite level, but like I said, that bit will need pushing up. But yeah, it's looking alright. I'm quite impressed with that. Designed it from scratch. I know, designed all colours from scratch. Quite impressed with myself. So what I'll do in the next episode is all that be screwed up and plyboarded. Sorted. That's it for this episode of Betty's Two's Builds. Thanks very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe, drop a comment down below, tell us what you think. But above all, keep doing what you do.